Woo! It's Misha, everybody, at Feather Friends Forever. So Mary was telling me this is an orange-winged?
Orange-winged Amazon.
All right, guys, because it gets confusing. There is an orange-crowned Amazon out there. You gotta watch your species identification situation. And this is amazing to see the orange. And Mary's had this bird for 15 years. And Mary, what other parrots have you had in the past?
Right now I have a
I just looked down and saw it. There you go, little Mark.
a sulfur-crested cockatoo.
Okay.
I have a the pink cockatoo.
Oh, is it a gullah or is it a rose-breasted cockatoo?
No, the ones that are pale pink.
Pale pink? Okay, that should be the...
Pale pink cockatoo. I'm drawing a blank on my name. No, pale pink, all over, real big.
Oh, Moluccan? Oh, Moluccan. My God, Mary's not sure her bird.
I've got Misha.
Yes.
I've also got a mealy-naped Amazon.
Oh.
One is a snake.
Oh, wow.
And I've got 2 Timna African greys.
Oh, wow. African
I've got
greys.
a kite.
Oh, okay, I love those. Okay.
I've got a, my very first bird. He's about 17 years old.
Okay.
Is a conure.
I love it.
Green cheek conure.
I love it. All right, guys, I'm going to show Mary's earrings. Are those alligators?
No, those are actually raven skulls.
Oh, raven skulls. Okay, well, that'll be a whole nother video. All right, guys, we're signing off live. It's Karen Martz. Have a great day.